This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing food-safe stickers and getting the cake surface right. This matters for adhesion and final look. Once chosen, chill the frosted cake until it's slightly firm, about 1/2 to 3/4 set, so stickers won't sink. Next, clear stray crumbs with a dry brush and make light guide marks with a toothpick at 1/2 inch intervals. These first steps set you up for straight placement and minimal repositioning. Move now while the surface is stable and dry. Now you apply each sticker with steady hands and slow motions so adhesives bond evenly. Peel the backing at a shallow angle, handling only the edges to avoid fingerprints. Position the sticker onto your guide mark and press lightly from center outward to expel air. If the sticker is on a rounded side, support the cake with one hand while smoothing with a fondant tool. This prevents tearing. Make sure to pause 5 to 10 seconds after initial contact so the adhesive grabs before you let go. Finish by trimming excess sticker material and refining edges so the design reads cleanly. Trim with a sharp paring knife, then very gently brush edges to blend if needed. If a sticker lifts, press it back, chill the cake for 10 to 15 minutes, or apply a tiny dot of edible glue behind the lifted edge. Do that sparingly. Finally, store the cake at a cool 18 degrees to 20 degrees C in an airtight box to avoid humidity. If sweating occurs, rechill and smooth again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.